Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking about TV's Apache RTR 160 motorcycle. The TV's Apache RTR 160 is not just a motorcycle, it's a statement of power and style. Designed for those who crave adrenaline and thrill, this bike stands as a testament to engineering excellence and uncompromised performance. With its aggressive stance and sharp lines, the Apache RTR 160 captures attention effortlessly. It embodies a racing spirit, inspired by TVS's rich motorsport legacy. Every curve and contour on this bike speaks of speed and agility, perfectly crafted for urban roads and open highways alike. Underneath its muscular design lies a potent engine, a heart that beats with raw power. The 159.7cc single-cylinder engine delivers an exhilarating ride, pumping out 15.53 PS of power at 8,400 RPM. It's engineered for those who love the rush of acceleration, hitting 0 to 60 km/h in just seconds. The power delivery is smooth yet thrilling, making every twist of the throttle an invitation to adventure. Whether you're weaving through city traffic or cruising on long stretches, the Apache RTR 160 ensures unmatched performance and responsiveness. But it's not just about speed, it's about control. Equipped with race-tuned fuel injection technology, the Apache RTR 160 offers enhanced power delivery, improved mileage, and superior throttle response. This system ensures that the engine runs smoothly under various riding conditions, optimizing performance and efficiency. Coupled with a 5-speed gearbox, the transmission is precise and effortless, giving the rider complete control over power and speed. The design philosophy behind the Apache RTR 160 is inspired by the predatory stance of a beast ready to pounce. Its aerodynamic profile minimizes wind resistance, ensuring stability even at high speeds. The aggressive tank shrouds enhance its sporty look, while the sculpted fuel tank provides a comfortable knee grip, giving the rider confidence during sharp turns and quick maneuvers. The dual-tone seat offers excellent cushioning, ensuring comfort during long rides. Safety and handling are at the core of the Apache RTR 160's design. It features a robust double-cradle chassis that provides superior stability and agility. The front suspension comprises telescopic forks, while the rear gets a mono-shock absorber, both tuned to offer optimal balance and control. This setup ensures a smooth and comfortable ride on all terrains, be it city streets, winding mountain roads, or highways. Braking is precise and reliable, thanks to the pedal disc brakes at the front and rear. The advanced braking system provides excellent bite and feedback, ensuring quick stops without compromising stability. For added safety, the Apache RTR 160 comes equipped with a single-channel ABS, preventing wheel lockup during sudden braking and enhancing rider confidence. One of the standout features of the Apache RTR 160 is its fully digital instrument cluster. It provides all necessary information at a glance, including speed, tachometer, fuel gauge, trip meter, and even a lap timer for those who enjoy track days. The blue backlit display is easy to read, day or night, and adds a touch of modern sophistication to the bike's cockpit. The lighting system is designed to make a bold statement. The aggressive LED headlamp with DRLs not only enhances visibility but also gives the Apache RTR 160 its signature look. The sleek tail lamp complements the sporty rear profile, ensuring that the bike is noticeable from a distance. Turn indicators are sharp and clear, ensuring safety during lane changes and turns. TVS has always focused on rider ergonomics, and the Apache RTR 160 is no exception. The handlebars are positioned perfectly for an upright yet sporty riding stance, reducing fatigue during long rides. Foot pegs are strategically placed to provide a comfortable riding posture, allowing the rider to maneuver the bike with ease and confidence. Fuel efficiency is another highlight of the Apache RTR 160. With advanced fuel injection technology and optimized engine tuning, it offers an impressive mileage without compromising on performance. This makes it an ideal companion for daily commuting as well as weekend rides. TVS offers the Apache RTR 160 in a variety of vibrant colors, each enhancing its sporty appeal. The premium paint finish and bold graphics further accentuate its dynamic personality, ensuring that it stands out on the road. Attention to detail is evident in every aspect, from the sleek body panels to the finely crafted exhaust muffler that delivers a throaty roar, reflecting the bike's racing DNA. Customization is key for enthusiasts, and TVS recognizes that. The Apache RTR 160 comes with a range of accessories to personalize the bike according to individual tastes. From stylish decals to performance upgrades, riders can make their Apache truly their own. The Apache RTR 160 is more than just a machine, it's an experience. It connects with the rider, delivering an emotional thrill with every ride. Its racetrack-inspired design, combined with cutting-edge technology, makes it a perfect choice for the modern rider who seeks excitement and performance. Maintenance and service are hassle-free, thanks to TVS's extensive network of service centers and skilled technicians. Genuine parts and accessories are readily available, ensuring that the Apache RTR 160 remains in top-notch condition for years. In terms of value for money, the Apache RTR 160 is unmatched. It offers a perfect blend of performance, style, safety, and technology, all at an affordable price point. It caters to young riders who seek adrenaline as well as seasoned riders who appreciate a balanced and reliable machine. The Apache RTR 160 has a legacy of trust and performance. Over the years, it has evolved, embracing new technologies and design philosophies, yet staying true to its racing roots. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a part of a community of passionate riders who share a common love for speed, style, and freedom. Riding the Apache RTR 160 is not just about reaching a destination, it's about enjoying the journey. It transforms ordinary commutes into thrilling adventures, making every ride memorable. Its power, agility, and style combine to create an exhilarating experience, keeping the rider engaged and excited. TVS continues to innovate and push boundaries with the Apache series, setting new standards in performance and design. The Apache RTR 160 stands as a shining example of this vision, representing the perfect fusion of power, technology, and art. It's a machine crafted for those who dare to live on the edge, who embrace challenges, and who live life in the fast lane. In conclusion, the TVS Apache RTR 160 is not just about riding, it's about experiencing the thrill of speed, the joy of freedom, and the pride of owning a masterpiece. It's for the spirited rider who values performance, style, and innovation. It's a symbol of passion, power, and precision. The Apache RTR 160 is more than a bike, it's a legend in the making, a companion for the bold and the daring. It's not just built to ride, it's built to race, built to lead, and built to conquer. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.